Learn from mistakes. Ria was a young girl who loved to bake. One day, she decided to make a cake for her family. She was so excited. She got all the ingredients together and started following a recipe she found online. But Ria made a mistake. She added too much salt to the cake batter. When the cake came out of the oven, it tasted super salty. No one could eat it. Ria was very sad that her cake didn't turn out well. Instead of giving up, Ria decided to try again. She looked up more baking tips and learned how important it is to measure things carefully. Ria practiced and practiced. Soon, her cakes tasted great. Ria's family loved her cakes, and she was so happy that she kept trying, even after she made a mistake. Later, she even started her own baking business. Moral: mistakes can help us learn. If we keep trying and learn from them, we can get better at whatever we do.